You're gonna love the 2022 GMC Sierra. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take every journey in stride in this capable, well-equipped Sierra. Whether you're towing, hauling, or managing the everyday demands of your busy life, you can count on this brawny, full-size pickup to get the job done right. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, sun, moonroof, 8-cylinder engine, power passenger seat, bed liner, fog lamps, heated mirrors, Wi-Fi hotspot. Feel confident about taking on every project in this rugged Sierra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.